After we move the clocks back, we got an extra hour of sleep on Sunday, and we're starting with a gorgeous sunrise on this Monday morning.
Yeah, I mean, no complaints. Look at those blue skies, dry conditions, and temperatures in the low 70s. This is fantastic. What a motivating start to your Monday. Lower 70s will get you out the door. The winds are moving in from the northwest, anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little bit more cloud cover from our Hollywood Beach camp, but this is all ahead of a cold front that is headed our way. We even have some 60s on the map, 69 Hialeah, 66 in Kendall. These temperatures are right where they were yesterday. As for the forecast, besides those clouds that are lingering right now, really the forecast all is going to be about the winds picking up this afternoon once the front does clear. So those winds will start to gust in the 20s. As kids head the bus stop, fantastic this morning in the 70s, nice, mild and breezy by this afternoon. I'll have a lot more in your forecast coming up.
Alrighty, South Florida, taking a live look here. This is the turnpike going northbound. This is near Southwest 268th Street. Nothing unusual for you at this time in the morning. This is always moving pretty slowly. You can always take US 1 if you'd like to avoid this, but you can see it is bumper to bumper out there. Let's take you over to your map so you can see how busy things are on your roads. Things starting to get a little crazier out there. Right here is what I was just showing you. You can see US 1 looks a lot better for you, so you don't have to sit in all that red. Another area we're starting to see some delays, 95 going southbound, especially as you approach Ives Road. Got that pocket of red right here, and as you get closer to the Golden Glades interchange, it does not look good for you. So you can always take 441 if you're heading out the door right now. Let me leave you with this. Drive times, those of you who take 595 going eastbound, 12 to 6 minutes to get you where you need to go.
Oh my goodness, Julie, it feels so good outside. Those cool temperatures, we love it.
Yeah, and the sun breaking through any cloud cover just is a very pleasant start to your Monday. Mondays are hard, but not when they're like this, as temperatures are in the lower 70s. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West, lots of sunshine breaking through the clouds, and we're expecting our winds to start to pick up. So right now, winds are moving in from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures upper 60s and lower 70s. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West. Yeah, 1 to 3 degrees warmer than yesterday, but we have a cold front headed our way. So as we await for that shift in the wind direction, eventually the winds will move in from the northeast, and that's how you know the front has cleared. It'll get downright breezy this afternoon as our winds are going to gust well into the 20s. It'll be a nice, mild, breezy day ahead. No concerns for the weather department. More on your forecast. I've got it coming up.
Florida, taking a look at your roads here. It is 7:36 and things are busy out there. Right now, you're taking a live look at I-95 going north and southbound near Ives Road. Your southbound lanes are nearly at a standstill. You want to avoid this. This is as you approach the Golden Glades interchange. If you would like to take something else, you always have US 441. It's a good option for you, US 1. Take a look right there. 95 going southbound. You can see the Golden Glades interchange. Just lots of red. Avoid it. Let's take you to an area where we are seeing a broken down car. This is the turnpike going northbound as you approach I-75. You do have a right lane blocked, which is causing all of that red that you see there. You can take the Palmetto Expressway to avoid the turnpike because that red is just going really far down south. Let's take you to another area. We're seeing another broken down car here on I-195. It's starting to clear up, but the delays, the heavier delays, are on 95 southbound as you approach the Airport Expressway and the Julia Tuttle. So also 441 is a good option for you if you'd like to avoid this, because as you can see, 95 going southbound starting at Ives Road just gets more and more congested as you move further south. Let's take you here. Palmetto Expressway going southbound. For those of you who take this as part of your commute, things have picked up. These numbers were in the 20s not too long ago, so now you are seeing 37 to 36 minutes to get you where you need to go. Be safe, Andrew.
Well, the family.
So therefore, we stay comfortable and cool. And so you're waking up this morning going, when is this front coming? It'll be here by this afternoon. Temperatures are very nice and mild. We're in the low to mid 70s. We've got lots of sunshine out there with some clouds around, but these clouds are not producing widespread precipitation, just hugging the coastline. Now winds are out of the northwest and temperatures are reflecting that land breeze. Feels fantastic out there. Even though it is 2 to 7 degrees warmer than yesterday, once we see this front move in, it will clear just after lunchtime, and it's going to provide for northeast breeze. That northeast breeze is really going to pick up. So the forecast calls for it to stay mostly dry. There's that 20% chance of showers. I think the showers that could develop will be down by the Keys. Otherwise, mostly dry, breezy. It's going to feel fantastic. Highs in the mid 80s. More coming up.
South Florida, we are taking a look at your roads here. Live look at 95. This is north and southbound lanes. It's your southbound lanes where you're seeing some heavy delays there. This is near Ives Dairy Road. Let's take you out to your maps here. Woof, that is a lot of red out there, especially in those southbound lanes. As you approach downtown Miami is where you're really seeing some heavy delays. 75 going southbound as you approach the Palmetto as well. Let's take you closer to these areas. You did have a broken down car here that has since cleared. You can see that all that red on the turnpike going northbound is now turning orange and hopefully green very soon. Right here, that area I was telling you about, as you get closer to downtown Miami, you're seeing lots of red here. Speeds here coming in as slowly as 13 miles per hour. The Julia Tuttle also experiencing delays as you start to jump on there, but once you get past it, it looks a little better. Regardless, the MacArthur Crossway is a better option for you if you're heading onto the beach this morning. Let's take you over here. Drive times. Those of you who take the Palmetto Expressway, things pretty busy for you, but not as bad as I've seen it, that's for sure. This is going southbound. I-75 to the Dolphin, 37 minutes. Northwest 154th Street to the Dolphin, 36. Christian.
Let's get to your weather update now from Weather Authority meteorologist Julie Durda. Julie?
Yeah, Christian, Eric, South Florida, it looks beautiful out there, and it feels just as nice as it looks. All of our tower cams showing the sunshine out there, a little bit of cloud cover. Temperatures low to mid to upper 70s. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West, Hollywood Beach cam. Yes, get outside and enjoy. Winds are moving in from the northwest. No precipitation right now, as we are expecting to stay mostly dry as a cold front is headed our way. Right now, the leading edge of the front starts to move in towards Delray and right over West Palm Beach. We're ahead of it, but it doesn't feel like we're ahead of a cold front. Typically, it's more of a southeasterly breeze, but we're lucky enough to still have a very strong north wind. So even though temperatures are 2 to 7 degrees warmer than yesterday, by around 4 or 5 o'clock, this system will clear. And the reason you'll know it is cleared is because our winds will start to pick up. Those winds will start to gust well into the teens and 20s this afternoon. I have the rain chances only at 20% till about 3, and then rain chances go down, and so do those temperatures. Wait till you see how low our temperatures go for tomorrow morning. I'll have those details coming up.
Okay, Julie, South Florida, 8:33 on this Monday morning. We're taking a look at your roads. You did have some heavy delays here in your northbound lanes of the Palmetto Expressway near Doral. So this was near Northwest 25th Street, but things have since cleared of an accident that was causing these heavy delays. So things are starting to pick up, which is good news. Let's take you out to your maps. Things are pretty busy out there. We're going to bring you a little closer here to the Dolphin Expressway. Going eastbound, you've got lots of red out there. You can always take the Airport Expressway if you'd like to avoid this. The delays start just east of the Palmetto Expressway, and as you get closer to 95, it doesn't look any better. So the Airport Expressway would definitely be your best bet. Let's take you a little further north. My Broward County friends, right here, you are seeing some delays in several areas. 95 going northbound as you approach Sample Road, also the Turnpike as you approach Sample Road, and after you pass it, you are seeing some red there. Pockets of red, no fun. The Powerline Road northbound lanes definitely look a lot better for you if you are headed in this direction. US 1's also a good option for you if depending on where you're coming from. Right here, 595 going eastbound. My friends who take these two areas, I-75 to US 1, 20 minutes. University Drive to US 1, 12. Be safe out there. Buckle up. Alrighty, Julie, South Florida, it's 8:47 and things are still very busy on your roads. You did have an accident on 95 near Oakland Park Boulevard that you were seeing some delays. You could see in your northbound lanes here, things are still moving slowly as you approach Sunrise Boulevard, but they are nonetheless moving. So that's good news. Your express lanes look better and your southbound lanes actually in this area look better too. Let's take you to your map so you can see things are busy, busy, busy out there. You've got lots of red on this map. Let's take you a little closer to a few areas that we are seeing some heavy delays. This is the Dolphin Expressway. You can see you've got red all across those eastbound lanes. It starts all the way by the Palmetto Expressway and makes its way closer to 95. The Airport Expressway is definitely your best bet if you are headed eastbound in this area. Let's take you over here. Drive times for those of you who take the Palmetto Expressway going southbound. Things are pretty busy, but not too bad out there. Northwest 154th Street to the Dolphin will take you 33 minutes, and I-75 to the Dolphin, 34. Be safe, Eric.
Okay, Annaliese.